Yeah, the park, just like, bam! It's not even a can of corn. It is over the fence. This is Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and the grand reveal in Coronado with Cullen and Terry, Lisa, Hannah, and Greg. And yeah, this just turned out so awesome. Take a look. We're done. You see how, you know, shady it is, but there's so much bright ambient light throughout the day. These plants are absolutely going to flourish. We've got texture. We've got color. We've got height. We've got, what else do we have? We have drama. We have intrigue. We have passion. We have it all. We have Greg.
What more do you need?
Yay! So again, subterranean drip. We're going to let this go off about once a week for a few minutes. It's no big deal. We top dressed with 3/4 inch Southwest brown. Greg ran low voltage lighting so that we could just uplight the client's beautiful mosaics. We restaged these stepping stones into a more attractive pattern. And for this corner here, yike, I'm taking my life in my hands. This pot is not going to get watered, and I don't want the client, you know, dragging a hose back here. So we just planted our Pilosoceras, this blue spire cactus, which will grow up so beautifully here and not require a drop of supplemental water. It'll take what it gets. Oh, thank you so much, sir. Okay. And here's our lovely volunteer, Lisa. Thank you for coming to help today, Lisa. She has been spectacular and did all of this magnificent grooming. You've all been dying to see the inner courtyard. Here it is. Remember, this is an installation that we did 14 months ago. And it is post-maintenance. I really didn't have to do much at all. These plants just look spectacular. You know, I talk a lot about planting food amongst your succulents. This mature citrus tree is perfect. I know it's a little messy and there's some leaves to pick up, but it's totally worth it. I moved this blue barrel cactus down away from our Desmediana Joe Hoke because it was, you know, kind of being eaten by it. That's something that I did. This stand of little sedums, I just deadheaded. The aeoniums had pretty much taken over this whole area. It was really a hot mess. So I pulled all of those out. We repurposed them. And I tucked in a Kalanchoe Luciae and a little Ruticope. And, you know, that just softened this up a little bit and opened it up a little bit. We have another Trigona in a Talavera pot here. This is actually a stand of Cameronii. You can see it's starting to turn red. You know, I don't know how red this will ever get because the temperatures here are so mild, but you never know. A little Kishokan agave that's thrown off an adorable pup in the Ruchia. Oh my gosh, it's, you know, oh my, here's my Petalanthus bracteus doing exactly what I would want it to do. And then this narrow entry with our Kalanchoes, Bracteus and Orgialis, Millii. We've got Sunburst Aeonium, just repeat. And then on this side, I've got some Bromeliad, Tradescantia, Aeonium. This, oh gosh, yes. Look at this little cluster of baby aeoniums. These somehow managed to come up from seed, not from leaf propagation. I've never seen that before, but are they not the cutest? I just didn't have the heart to touch them. This is Ficus repens, or creeping fig, and it's a really, really easy plant to manipulate. It doesn't take over too much. It's not going to hurt the stucco. It peels off really easily, and it's very, very easy to maintain. I like to keep it kind of opened. And you can see how it's starting to finger up the walls. It's just a spectacular backdrop. This little euphorbia was buried back in the corner on the other side, so I pulled it out and stuck it front and center by the front door. Sorry, got a phone call. Senecio macroglossus. This is a succulent. Doesn't it just look like a little variegated ivy? Is that not adorbs? So that's going to be spectacular there by the front door. Oh, look at our fabulous crew. And didn't Charlie, our homeowner, do a wonderful job on this gate? The color, I just love this. And then post-maintenance, here's our front entry to this beautiful, beautiful home. You know, Coronado is known for all of its color and its English cottage gardens and its roses. Yet this, it feels that way to me. This feels English, cottagey, flowery, rosy. Yet, as you well know, it's not. This doesn't stand out like a sore thumb, but it's just such an improvement over the neighbors. Wow, this has been 3 days well spent. I appreciate you guys all following along. We have had a blast here.
Thanks, everyone.
And stay tuned because, oh wait, we have our beautiful clients. Did we exceed your wildest expectations? Have your wildest expectations been exceeded?
Yes.
That's the gold standard. That's what we aim for here at Design for Serenity. And next week we will be back on the island doing another wonderful front yard. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity reporting from Coronado with your grand reveal and your succulent tip of the day.